Hello guys, so I'm having this issue over here with one of my ad account. I'm actually publishing some ads and I'm getting some rejections for no reason. I will explain a little bit what is it. So if we come here, we can see that we have some rejected ads over here. Now, the big thing here is that when you go to account quality, we can see that we can check, for example, policy violation says 0 policies. Okay, so this is clearly a bug, and let me tell you what is happening when I try to actually, not this one, maybe this one, okay, this one. So when I try to request for a review and submit, you will see that I'm going to get an error. So this is basically an error and it doesn't move forwards. You see, it gives me this message. So I found a solution to this, and maybe some of you have the same problem, so I'm going to say what is happening. The solution, guys, is very simple. I'm going to take all of this to this. I'm going to turn them off. We are in the ad level, okay? I'm going to publish. I don't want to make this video very long. Okay, cool. And now I'm going to pick them again. You can see that they're processing, okay? So I'm going to turn them on again and publish. They're going to be on the processing, and now you will see that some of them are going to not be rejected in the second phase, and then some of those are going to be rejected. You're going to do this again and again and again until you have some success. So these are the ones that are still in the processing, and we're going to see by just refreshing. Let me see. Soon some of those they are going to start going to scheduling and stuff. You see, now these are in review. Okay, you can see they're in review. So some of those are going to be rejected again, some of those are not, and you are going to keep doing this again and again and again until you're going to have all of them actually published. Okay, now you see this one, for example, it's already scheduled, so the problem is solved. Okay, this one is already scheduled. If we refresh again, we see now we have more rejected over here. Okay, so we're going to group them up again, and we're going to do again the same process. Let's do it again. See, we're doing that. Let's sort them out. So now we have some in review. You keep pressing the button until you have this in review. Okay, let's go to the process again with those now, just to prove to you that it's working. Again, turn off, publish, let publish, and then we turn on immediately. Okay, it didn't publish, I guess, for some reason. Turn off, publish. Okay, and now we turn on again, and now this time we're going to focus on those to see if they're going to be rejected or not. Let's see how many of those are going to be fixed. We're just waiting. Boom. So now we're in review, and some of those most probably are going to survive, some of those are not, and you're going to do this process again all the time until you have everything fixed. Sorry, but this is a bug, and if it's a bug, we have to try to solve it like this. I'm going to give it some time more. I'm trying to make this video short, but it's fine because it's an urgent update video. This one got rejected already. We will have to do the process again. Come on, do me the favor. You see, some of those are scheduled now. So these are the ones that got pass. Okay, the other ones are in review. Some of those rejected. Do it again and again and again, guys, and you will have your solution. You will have zero issues because clearly this is not actual rejection, it's just a bug. That's my update. Have a nice day.